Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a special one guys. It's another beautiful day, and on these videos I'm going to receive one of my guide tour. At the same time we're taking you to the beach down, and then you go that way. So look at this beautiful things guys. So in case you're new guys, please subscribe to my channel, check out Felistas. Also on today's videos I'm going to pin the link for my tour guide who take us to the beaches, especially in Diani beach. So for those people who ask, hello baby, please explore Indian Ocean. The day is coming, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do swimming videos, and then we go, you know, when you go maybe some places you're a newcomer, like you're not maybe some different places, you need to look for the expert pro, maybe the owner of that place who born and raised there, so they can give you quick tour. So on today's videos, keep it locked, more amazing videos coming, and remember to leave a sweet comment on the comment section below. But right now guys, I'm Diani, so especially we have like a lot of noise, movement of the vehicle from one point to another, you know. So let me know in the comment section guys, when I take you there, what do you think about on today's videos. Look at this, welcome to Mombasa, enjoy the breeze. You see what we have here, nice table, glass table like this one, chairs, man, we have beds. If you feel so tired, maybe you take shower and then you can sleep there, you know. Also, wow, look at this beautiful trees. So guys, let's do this. More amazing videos coming, so let's enjoy. Yourself.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Adventure Chichi. I just got by surprise. Okay, yes. I have a YouTube channel. You can go and check me out, Adventure Chichi. And today I'm gonna be showing them around. Okay. So come along.
Okay, and also you introduce yourself.
My name is Felistas.
Okay. Wow. We're going to enjoy.
Okay.
Hizo boats lakini zile nani automatic. Spendage mtumwe mimi.
Okay guys, let's go and see what we're gonna find.
Yes. That's everything.
We're going to walk down to the beach.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, this town is called Diani Beach. It's one of the most beautiful towns. And when you come here, right now when you go to the beach guys, you're going to understand why it's one of the most beautiful places. Yeah, I've been living here for now 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah, but I travel and come back. Yeah, and I just love it.
Okay. Maybe you show my friend how to swim.
Yes.
You know. Yes.
I'm not that good in swimming, but
Oh.
we will try. The water is super cool.
Yes. I have been there in the morning.
Okay.
Yes. I experience and then I come back.
You went for jogging?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, guys, let's go and swim. Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Sorry, bro. Okay, guys.
Here you will notice that there is like a lot of tuk-tuk.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a mode of transport here. But, we don't take the tuk-tuk, we just walk a little bit.
Yes, let's walk as we vlog.
Timbal.
No. Okay, guys. That is me, guys. Okay, guys. Heavy bag. Wow. Let's go and show you guys. We're fully outside, guys, to see amazing this place, you know. Maybe one day I'll click these videos when I'm standing at the old stage, and then I say that when I was young I was in this place, you know. Let's move. In South Africa they call KK, not tuk-tuk.
Huh?
In South Africa
Yeah.
they call KK, not tuk-tuk. Yes.
Yeah, it's tuk-tuk.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, guys. Felicitas, how do you see this place? Maybe I'll be on this side.
Nice.
Nice. You'll have to stay here. Yeah, but it needs to have a lot of money.
Yes,
You
it's
know.
expensive.
Yes. You see Audi? That's Audi that I was talking about. Okay. Try to imagine, it's morning but I'm totally hot. Yes. In our village there, when it's around maybe let me say 5 11.
11?
Yes. It was very in the morning. It's extremely cold, but here around 8 a.m. Oh.
Yeah, it's very, very hot,
Yes.
guys. I can't wait to reach to the beach.
Okay.
We can have the break.
Okay. Are you ready to swim?
Yes, but I don't know how to swim.
You don't know how to swim?
Yeah.
Today you learn. Because we tried to push these videos. I had some information at the Indian Ocean, like midday, the water will be coming closer. You can't swim, so I think this is the best time you can swim. Yes. Wow. KK everywhere. Wow. Okay, guys. And then wakati tumerudi nimepita nayo njia ya Diani Airport.
Okay.
Okay.
How do you find Diani?
We can't get lost. We have the phone, we can Google and then you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here it's very safe.
Yeah.
This side of the beach, but when you go down to Kunda, you have like to be careful.
Yes. Do you remember like yesterday?
Yeah.
We tried to book the room at Ukunda, but it's not secure. I said no.
Yeah.
Let's leave.
Yeah, down here it's very safe.
Yes. And also in Mombasa town or city, we can't film out in the morning. There's some street boy, they can steal your camera. Yes.
You have like to be careful.
Eh. I know how to deal with some street boy. Even I think on Monday, which is tomorrow,
Yeah.
when I'm going to release the videos, I meet one of the street boy. Said, "Oh, why do you recording me?" I said, "No, I just record myself."
Yeah.
And then I know how to deal with them, but in good way, you know. When the street boy come to your face, don't be like, "Oh, no." Just be very strict. But others, hey, are very tough. Yeah? Subiri utafika. Yuko chini, afu uende hivi. Yaani huyo hutaki utembe.
Nimechoka.
Tembea kidogo. Yaani tu hapa na hapo umechoka.
Okay guys, we're going to take the tuk-tuk.
Yes. Sasa huyu hawezi tubeba wote. Haya, niendeni nitakuja. Oh. Eh. Let's go. Hizi tuko ni nyingi huko. Kule nyumbani pikipiki nyingi. Hadi huku sioni TVS. Za kuhesabu tu.
Ziko mingi sana
Hapa. Ukija huko nyumbani ni kama tu tukutuku hapa ziko nyingi. Kwanza ni pikipiki ndio nyingi.
kwa kumaanisha biashara tu iko na ipa maraka huko. Wana NPS.
Selling of clothes. Haya bana, nashukuru. Yes, this way.
No, we go. There is a road here. Be careful.
Okay. This one? No, you can't cross right now. If you do like this, you raise up your hand, no one will knock you, you know.
So we're gonna go on this road here.
Okay.
Guys, beaches here in Diani, they are always free. So you can go to any beach. You don't have to pay anything.
Yes. I know, I realize here we have public and private.
Yeah, but all this here, until you find like street food.
Hey,
Like you can see people here, they're having breakfast.
Yes. Yeah.
You can show them how people they eat.
We
here.
can go and show them because me, I'm not familiar.
Maybe we'll come back and try them.
Okay.
Let's first go to the beach.
Yes, because other people didn't like camera,
Okay.
you know. Okay, guys, keep moving on. Wow. Are you happy now?
Yes.
Yes.
It was a long way.
Yes. You see, the more you put more effort, you can go everywhere.
Yes.
You know, as long as you make good money, you're ready to go.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. I saw your videos. You travel maybe to Ethiopia, so many places.
Yeah, I've been to like 30 countries. Yeah.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Most
Hey.
of the time I'm doing the road trip. Yeah, guys, you can go and check out my channel, Adventure Chichi. Maybe he will tag me there.
Adventure. Okay, I'll pin the link.
Yeah, Chichi. Yeah, so far, so good. The last road trip I did was from South Africa to Kenya. It was amazing. I've not yet put a lot of video about that, but I'm gonna work on that.
Why don't you put some maybe everyday videos? You know, like for me, every day I put videos.
I will start doing that, guys. I will do that.
Okay, maybe you have another job and then you do videos.
Sometimes, what can I say? I don't have any excuse, guys.
Okay.
But most of the time, I don't film a lot of video because I'm using my phone.
Okay.
And when I'm filming, like in South Africa, you have like to be very careful.
Yes.
People who don't rob you. Yeah, but so far the journey has been so good.
Okay.
I'm grateful.
Wow.
Yeah, guys, you can see how people they cook on the streets.
Yes, right here.
Here. We're gonna try the food later.
Yes, when you come back.
Yeah, and you can sit down there. We can start seeing the beach.
Yes, I see.
Yeah.
There's no monkey here because it looks like there's a monkey on this place.
You will see them.
Okay.
You'll definitely see them.
But I fear baboon. Yes, sure.
They can be aggressive sometimes, but if you don't like go to mess with them, you're all good.
Okay. Felicitas, you think I'm joking? Baboon. Oh,
Yeah,
they can beat you and cry like a small baby.
I know.
Yeah, I'm telling
You
you.
have like to be careful with
Yes.
them.
Also, this is a hotel.
It's like a small restaurant where you come to have like a seafood. They have nice seafood. They are like octopus. Have you tried any seafood?
No, like on my last supper, I tried to eat the fish. Totally different where I came from. It tastes so sweet, but this one here, even the skin, it's hard.
Yeah.
When you came to, let me say, in my village, especially near the Kenya border and Tanzania,
Yes.
the fish was very, very nice.
Yeah, so they're sweet.
Yes.
Okay. They're not like
You can eat even 5 of them, but
Wow.
here once you can't finish it.
Why?
I mean, I don't know, because of the taste,
Maybe it's because it's like salty.
and then it's hard.
Okay.
Yes.
But when you get used to it, it becomes you get used to the taste.
Okay. Me, what I learned, if I go maybe to the next country, I try to eat rice, maybe chapati, but fish or meat, no.
Sometimes you just try everything. That's the beauty of traveling.
Yeah. But Felicitas, she didn't try anymore. You know, she only eat rice and then that's the end of the day.
She will get used to it. Yeah.
If you go to Uganda, you can eat some. There's some small fish look like sardines, but it's not fish.
Omena?
It's omena, but it's not pure omena.
Okay.
In our vernacular language, it's known as. Do you know chisonono? Which is coming from the ground and then fly. Went away.
I don't know how it is.
When you go to Uganda, you try that one. Okay.
So guys, here comes the beach. Now we have
This is an Indian Ocean. I'm telling you, you can't maybe see at the further end until further notice. Okay.
I think we'll walk on this direction. It's much better.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so guys we're gonna walk and explore this beach and we teach her how to swim. Not si leo. Yeah, we're okay. So guys, when you come to this beach, you'll find like a lot of sale people. Like there'll be people selling for you everything, coconut, good with the boat. Yeah, like everything.
I think there's an island on the other side.
Yes, there is an island.
Maybe we pay and then we go.
We'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you taste the breeze from the Indian Ocean?
Cool.
Yes. You can see when your hair is swimming. Oh. And then this is the white soil. In our village, no soil like this.
The sun?
Yes, sand.
Yeah.
And then this one used for construction. You can make blocks. Yes, with this one. But for me, I bought blocks in Nairobi. I don't know how it's meant. Maybe they're using this soil like this. I don't know. Okay, guys.
Let's explore Diani.
Yes. Maybe I'll be up.
See, when you come here, everyone will find
sorry.
You can find all the hotels.
Yes.
We have like a lot of hotels and restaurants along the beach. And most of them, they are affordable. So when you're coming here, don't worry about it.
Yes.
According to your price, you can get anything that you want.
Especially maybe food. But maybe booking a room here, it's a bit expensive. I think
Yeah,
so.
here it's a bit expensive, but maybe for someone else it can be reasonable.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends with your pocket. Yeah.
Let me stay next year, by God willing. When I come here, I'll spend my all maybe full month.
Yeah, if you wanna like spend like full month, you can do like what do you call it? A long-term apartment, which you can get it. It depends on your pocket again. If you want like which is not like furnished, you can get from $100 per month. If you,
$100 per month?
yeah,
Within here?
yeah, within around it. That one is not furnished. But if you want like furnished one, it starts from maybe $300
Okay.
per month.
Per month.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one is less money. It's because guys, I'm building and then I said let me maybe have a walk a little bit and then if I finish building, trust me, next year I'll be here and then I'll make up, you know.
Yeah, you come when like you're prepared. And,
Yes.
yeah, and it's beautiful and it's
Yes.
nice.
Look even other side.
Yeah, this is another beautiful hotel. It's called Swahili Beach. Very nice inside.
Oh, do you see Masai?
Yes,
Right there?
they are all over the world.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
like Masai people doesn't have boundary.
No, because they are like nomads.
Yes.
So they travel a lot.
Okay, I see you're a traveler. Did you travel with any weapon compared to Masai?
No. I don't travel with weapons, but I'm always like I want to be on the safe side. So I usually like try to be safe. Like if I'm going back to my hotel, I have to be back around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. I don't stay out at night. I have to ask locals where I'm going because most of the time they know. So like you have to be on the safer side. I don't travel with weapons.
Like Maasai, they can travel with weapon, like
They are
a sword, yes.
They're very allowed, but for us we are not allowed.
Oh.
If you go to a country with a weapon, you might be deported. And you don't want that to happen in a foreign country. So you have like to be very careful.
Okay. Wow. Guys, the bag is heavy. I'm trying to go. I'll buy next bigger bag. Traveler bag. Do you know that bag?
Yeah.
You can carry everything and you go.
The best time to go to the island, the Wasili Island, it will be like early in the morning, so to see the dolphins. But right now we can arrange with someone, and then we come like early in the morning.
Oh, yeah. Me, I think around 7 I was been here with one of my friends, and then took me to other side, show people how to fish, and then I said, okay. You see, for instance, right there you can walk, but during midday you can't walk because there's full of water. Wow.
Oh guys, the breeze is so good. Like
yes, fresh air.
Yeah, fresh air. It was like super hot.
Yeah, you see up to the end. Okay, let's go. See them how it's walking, the hair waving, you know. Put like this. Like this. Yes. It shows you we have a lot of wind here, guys. Yeah, I see your hair is like waving. So that being said, you have a lot of like sea breeze and also windy.
And guys, another thing about Diani, right now is the right time like people to come and invest here.
Yes.
Because here it's a touristic place. So if you're doing investment, your business will really do well.
Yes.
Like you can come and build some Airbnb, which to buy land here is also reasonable. Yeah, and it's a very good investment.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see how a lot of people they are investing and putting restaurants and Airbnb and hotels. Yes.
These some stones?
Yeah, they are rocks.
Oh, me, I think it's another sand.
No.
Okay.
Like now here you can't swim when the water is allowed because you're going like to be.
Guys, subscribe to our channel. But for our tour guide, guys, today I will pin her link on the comment section below. You can subscribe.
Yeah, guys.
Yes. Yeah, it's good to share a subscriber.
Yes.
You know.
We will appreciate.
Yes. You can't imagine I pushed Felicitas 4 good months.
Okay.
And then she turned 1K subscriber and above. And also we tried to fight for the watching hour. The remaining 1,500. Let me say if I put my effort only 1 month, she will get monetized and then enjoying the money.
That will be good.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, go and support her channel.
Yeah.
Watch her videos.
Yes,
Let her be monetized. Yeah.
Yes. And then I told her the way I support you, if you get maybe somebody outside there, please try to support each other.
Yes, true.
You know? I don't want maybe to see other people eating every day, other people sleeping hungry. No. You learn to support. When your heart keep pushing you like you wanna support my sister, support.
Yeah.
You wanna support your brother, support. From another mother, you know. Okay, guys. Let's go.
If you wanna swim, there is a nice spot here for swimming.
Oh, this one?
I will show you around there.
Okay.
It's my favorite spot.
Maybe I will give you a camera. You go with Felicitas. You show how to swim.
Okay. Guys, every day I come to the beach in the morning to do like morning walk
Yes.
and to look for shells. I love doing that when I'm here.
Look at this, guys.
Socially, a nice thing to do. And sometimes you come and you just watch the little fish and the water like swimming.
Oh. see how the water is swimming, and when it reach at that point, it's go back way.
And you see how the water is very blue. Like
Yes.
guys, yes. I have been I've been around the world, and I will say like Diani Beach is one of my favorite beach.
Yes.
One of the most beautiful beach. Yeah, guys.
Okay, let's go. Guys, let me tell you one thing. A man can try all of this package. I have the bag. Felicia's totally tired. Keep pushing, you know.
Yeah.
Me, I can walk all of the day shooting the videos.
She will get used to that. Right? Yes. It always starts somewhere, and you're just touching. And you're doing good.
I have only 4 months with you.
Yeah, you'll get there. One day you'll become the biggest YouTuber.
Wow.
So we go like there, like you wanna play with water,
Yeah.
because there is a nice spot.
Wow. Do you remember yesterday on the comment section, people said you are in Mombasa, going at Indian Ocean, you swim, you enjoy. Do you remember?
Are you ready for swim?
Yes, I'm
Yes. And what other subscriber didn't understand, it's because maybe when you landed in Mombasa, it need to keep pushing maybe one day and then you go to the next destination.
Yeah.
You know? They think that, oh, when you're in Mombasa direct to the Indian Ocean, no, you need to plan and organize, you know. Wow.
Yeah, there is some
Yes.
kids. They usually
Swim?
fishing.
Oh,
fishing,
Yeah.
not swimming.
No,
Oh.
they're trying to get some fish. You see them there like swimming.
yeah.
Diving inside the water.
Uh-huh.
Try like to get some fish. Let's go and see what they're doing there. I
Okay.
think we need to remove our shoes. It's like
At this point, pick the shoes because, yeah, I have everything here.
yeah, it's just also nice to walk on the sand.
Yes. Oh my God.
It feels so nice.
Yes. See everybody. All right.
So we go.
Whew. I see some boys, little boys, try to fish, doing fishing, guys. How do you feel?
Be careful you don't hurt your feet.
Yes, these stones.
Yeah,
There is some circular stuff. Looks like stones. Let me show you. Yes. Let me show you.
You see here it's like a jellyfish. This one here.
These are fish.
Is that
Wait, I show you. Oh,
yeah. It's
This-
alive, you can see.
oh.
Yeah.
People eat this.
No, you don't eat it. So we're gonna return it back to the ocean. Yes.
Oh my
It's alive. It's really
Look,
alive.
guys, that one. Right. Usikanyage hizo vitu ziko round, zina miba. You know, in the morning I was being here. Okay. Let's go, guys. Wow. Please, guys, subscribe to our channel, guys. Yeah, man. Wow. Yes. Mambo ni murwa, unauza shell. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, you
But
see?
right now the tides they are coming in.
Uh-huh.
So in a few like in another 1 hour the water will be up to there.
Yes.
So if and you can see the boys there.
Yes. Yeah.
The fisherman.
Yeah, the fishing net is just over here.
Yeah.
Guys, let me show the fishing net. Just within here. You're gonna see this one here. Fishing net. I think they're big. Hey, baby, so wewe. Tabeba nini? Asubuhi maji hayakuwa hapa, yalikuwa huko.
So guys, let's continue.
Okay. Let's move, guys. Wow. Enjoy the life. Usiguze bagi chini. Utabeba maji. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nataka mkile bagi. Enjoy. Twende. Bado. Oh my god. You heard that breeze? It must be strong.
They are fishing.
Yes.
See?
Oh,
They are doing that. They have some fish in the
okay, you
back.
can carry here. Me, I can go.
Yeah.
Here, guys. It's need maybe someone to be strong, guys. I'm telling you. Whoa. Whoa. Bana vipi? Unavua samaki? Wako wapi wenye mmevua? Yupo wapi?
Hakuna haya hapa.
Humu ndani.
Wote wamekufa.
Oh. Hawa ni samaki. Tuone. Hey. Yeah, guys. Unajua hii kamera naweza iweka humu ndani. Nione samaki.
Ha?
Hii kamera naweza iweka humu ndani.
Kaona samaki?
Hey, hivi. Inafanya bado kazi. Hey, ukipata mtu anaogelea bila iweka ndani. Oh, unaweza ingia ndani. Niambia kama guys, I want to try for them like in the water. Haya. Hapo mwenzako atakwambia kama umejiona, si ndio? Ingia ndani. Hapa hapa tu, usiende mbali. Karibu na mimi hapa. Yeah. What I tried to mean, guys, it's so cool. I'm telling you. Aya, nataka ukamuone akikujumwambia. Guys, the wind is strongest here. I need to be strong enough. Whoa. Whoa. That's hello baby, guys. You know, you must be very careful because it was my very first time to be here. Oh. Hey! Wambie! Hey! Hey! Soft life. Sure, bro. Alright guys, we keep moving. We are from other side, so we're heading this way. You know guys.
We are going to buy some few vegetables. So we're gonna walk this
Yes.
road here.
Okay guys, let's see. I have $5. I see what I can manage
Yeah.
to make the shopping.
Yeah, with $5.
Yes, let's go.
I think here they're a bit expensive, right?
Okay.
Because we are the side of the beach,
Mm-hmm.
and because it's like a touristic place, they tend to overcharge things a little bit, which I don't
Okay.
understand and I don't get it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you
Wow.
will see the things we're gonna buy.
Okay.
There's just some few vegetables so that you can come and make some lunch.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And then we walk.
Yeah.
Yes guys.
And Then later we'll go to watch some sunset.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful place.
Me, I like to swim. Also, you teach our Felicitas to swim.
Yeah. Then you
Yes.
can see like here.
Uh-huh.
This one is a new
Apartment?
like a hotel or apartment.
Uh-huh.
That's what I was saying, like when you come to Diani, you can start like investing. A
Yes.
lot of people they're doing like investment here. It's a good place to do investing.
Uh-huh. Wow. Alright guys. Let's go. Maharani. Hey.
It's a very beautiful one.
Yes. And very secure.
Yeah, very secure. I told you guys here there is a good security.
Yes. Maybe that one you can maybe rent per month maybe $1,000.
Yeah, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
$1,000.
Yeah.
That's 100k Kenyan shillings per month.
Yeah, but inside the quality, the furniture, everything there's something.
Yes. Wow. Na hii barabara inaenda wapi?
This road,
Uh-huh.
if you go like with it,
Uh-huh.
you can go to Tanzania.
This one, Namanga.
No, I know you can enter through Tanga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh. Felicitas, if you could have a passport, it's easy to go. But our day is coming, guys.
We have a lot of wine stores here.
Here?
Yeah.
Yes.
A wine store
Uh-huh.
and a nice restaurant there. It's called Funky Monkey.
Yes.
So if you're coming here, you can try the restaurant there. They have nice food.
Yes. Okay, guys, let's go. It's a nice restaurant and also some club. Nice one. But in our village,
They put some.
sure, people throw here. Mtu ndo ametupa huku.
I don't know.
Okay, maybe if we go to the Indian Ocean, we pick one.
Huh?
Wait,
Some people
I choose
they
someone.
keep
This one?
them. Yeah, some people.
No, I
keep
take
them.
them. I go, I dry, I keep it.
I think they will like I don't know. And you can see here is where people they come to buy things.
Yes.
They have a lot of art.
Yeah, I see. You can go there freely or they need to pay them.
No, you can go and see what they're selling. Actually.
Filming the videos?
Yeah, you can.
Let's go. I see Rastafarian. Let's go, this town. Yeah, guys. So crossing with that way. Yes. One love.
Ndio kama watu wanakuja Diani, they can see in and just to buy for
Kwani
you.
mumetoka wapi nyinyi?
Eh.
Si mimi unaniona hapa
Na
kila
kuona wanapitia hapa kila siku.
siku. Yeah. Umetoa ni kazi zangu.
Unaweza introduce, maybe you get one of Jamaican outside there.
Where are you from?
Where?
Where are you from?
Me, I'm from Nairobi.
Nairobi wapi?
Si huku Kenya huku.
Huko ndio cha kwetu mimi. Huko ndio nyumbani kwetu mimi. Mimi niko Side B.
Eh.
Eh.
You look like a Jamaican.
They say I look like a Jamaican, but I'm a real Kenyan man.
Yeah.
But a Rasta man.
Yeah, you can see, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Hey,
he's doing videos
Rasta
for
man.
YouTube. He has
Whoa.
That's cool. I'm
Even
from
me, I'm.
Rasta.
Mhm.
Yes, based in Diani, but I'm from Nairobi, the big city.
Okay.
South B, Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes, welcome to
Also,
Diani.
guys, I'm a Rasta man.
Yes.
I'm trying to do.
Not you are trying, you are Rasta.
Yeah.
You are Rasta.
Okay. How long did you make your Rasta? It takes you how long?
For more than almost 20 years time.
20 years? Yes, I see. Felicitas, when mine come like this one, whoa, very
Because-
nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
How old are you?
Me? I'm 24 years old.
You're on the right track.
Yes.
Maybe I started when I was 24.
24?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like a joke. And here they are. Congo Nati Dread.
24 plus 20, 44.
You don't look 44. You look younger than that.
Yeah, I'm very strong.
I'm old. I'm old.
Hey.
44, man, I'm a big man.
You're a big man.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I take care of myself.
Yeah, as long as you eat good,
Positive.
more exercise.
More exercise,
Yeah.
you eat greens.
Yes.
Greens are the best meal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm spending nyama nyama.
I know Jamaica didn't like eating nyama nyama.
No, you don't like nyama nyama. Yeah, I'm busy doing this.
Hey.
Almost finishing it. This one is for a customer. I want to put for him these how to call it? We call it something to do with this cape thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot the shade there.
Okay.
I'm the one who have done this the first week.
And who drew this stuff?
This one is our colleague. I can't like it.
Hey. Nice.
Me, I'm based on craft. I do this crochet work.
This one?
How much is that one?
For the vest, I do it at 4,500.
Things will be more expensive.
And for a 6,500.
For African like me.
Or African like you.
Oh, sorry. And this one? How much? Siwezi kupunguzia mziki bana. Hii hapa.
Tumeuliza ukunda ni how much hapa Diani.
It's because of the Indian Ocean and then
And the environment actually.
Yes.
You see like here, if you buy a bottle of Tusker, here is 400 shillings.
Which one?
Here inside here,
Yeah.
Funky Monkey.
This?
It's a club dancer.
Oh,
It's called a Funky Monkey. When you go to buy a bottle of Tusker, it's 400 shillings. But when you go in our village here called Maweni, it's 200 shillings.
look at this. Okay. Hii itanitosha. Let's go.
Yeah, guys, let's continue. With our Diani, we are still going to the market. We had to stop there.
Yeah.
And the Rastaman was really kind and
Yes.
good to us. Yeah.
Yeah.
So today, guys, is Sunday, so a lot
Yes.
of businesses are not open yet.
Oh. You know this kitenke? This one. In Border Town it's around 450.
150,
Yes.
like 1,000.
But here it's 1,000 each.
Yeah, it's,
Border Town 1,000 will get around 2 pieces.
yeah, things they are a bit expensive because it's a touristic place.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna go through here, and the market is around there. It's not a big market, it's
Okay.
a small market for buying just groceries.
Okay. Wow. Let's go.
We need to cross. You can show people here, there is a lot of restaurants.
Okay. Within here?
Yeah, we are going down there.
Yes.
I wish, okay, no,
Eh? Yes, here you can cross. There's no problem. Okay. So these are market?
Yeah, it's like a supermarket outside there, but we are not going inside there.
Okay.
We're going again.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, there is a lot of boutiques and a lot of...
Yes, I see them within right there. Okay.
We're going there to that small grocery.
Oh,
Because we just need some fuel.
yes. These are neighbors for market?
No,
Oh,
this one is called Chandarana.
okay.
Cake.
It doesn't look like American. They put some price here. It's $1, $1.
No, they don't put prices.
Okay. This is onions right now here. Sorry guys.
Umepotea? Nilikuwa
Maybe I'll
nimeenda.
this side here.
Kwa- Eh. Hii place imebadilika, si kama kitambo. Nataka pia tomato.
You want to take photo?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, like when you go with $5 in Tanzania, you can make whole package of shopping.
You can? Here
Yes.
you'll see. This one there will be. You'll see how much we'll pay here.
Okay.
It's a bit like.
Maybe in Tanzania, this one could be around 20 USD. Yes, I'm telling you.
I think those one there will be enough for. What else do we need? We need some pineapple.
Okay.
But this is orange.
I don't know.
Inakaa
It's
orange.
bigger.
Nani anajua kuchagua pineapple itakuliwa like asubuhi?
Si ongea mwenyewe. Shikai.
Wika. Na mtu anahitajika hapa.
You know the good thing that I like in America, they put price, you know.
Yeah, you're
If you choose this one, like you list, you know the number of money. Right.
nataka unichagulie pineapple itakuliwa like hadi zenye kesho morning.
Maybe pears.
Kama itakuwa imeiva sipe nitaileta hapa.
Hai.
Ngakuja kama nimeibeba asubuhi hapa.
Wewe bana unatuzia bidhaa, si introduce useme oh mimi ni nani Juma
Yeah.
kwa majina.
Mimi ni Abdara.
Abdalla.
Na watermelon unapata like half yake.
It's a watermelon.
Unaweza kata.
Water. Yeah.
You know like this one, you bought around 150 in Tanzania.
In
Also even
Tanzania?
100. Yes, I'm telling you.
Here you'll see things they are
If
really
you came
expensive.
to my village, you'll see.
It's cheaper. Do we need vegetables? I think we do need them.
Yeah, like spuma. You buy these scales.
But now who's gonna cut them? I don't like cutting.
You cut? Oh,
You will? Okay. Tuchukue gani? Hizi ama spinach?
spinach. Spuma.
Hizi.
Wow.
Yeah guys, you see? It's like a
Bana hii ni
flower.
nyingi. Hizi tutamaliza leo.
Ni nyingi.
Nilikuwa nauzaga tu hivyo hawapunguzi.
Vizuri.
Twende tunayo.
Zitakuwa mingi. Guys, look,
Tutaweka kwa fridge
it's like a bouquet of flower. Yeah.
right here.
Poa,
Niko poa.
bora.
Na nyinyi?
Si tuko baridi kabisa.
Barida kabisa.
Potea wewe.
Nimepotea.
Ama kalikuwa kama season.
We. Nilikuwa nimehama. Sasa nimerudi.
Ndio hapa mitaa.
Nilikuwa nimehama. Ikatuchukua pesa.
Tumeacha wapi kikaa?
Okay, nini kingine tunahitaji?
Sema kuna wageni
I'm trying to figure it out what else.
These are cucumber.
Wika ndio pale mbele.
Oh. Achana naye. Haya.
I think that's what we got. We'll
Okay.
have for now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, come back. I'm waiting for viazi kiasi.
The good thing they measuring on this way. Huko ni wizi tu. Unanunua vitu kibobo.
Sasa hii unaona ni 150.
Si hivyo. Maisha London.
Kuleta mifuko tu.
Na of course hii ni 30 bob. Kwanza 20.
Ile mifuko.
Because I went to the villages. Oh. These Irish potatoes.
Yeah, dirty. Come on.
Maisha bara. Sema maisha bara.
Mtafikia hapo.
Ili cost.
Kwani cost ni wapi?
It's the something. That's what you do. do like,
Oh, kuna mfuko.
lakini haitatoshea sana.
Ngoja tutoke ile sehemu ya mbele. Kama chakula iko tayari.
Total price. Okay. Hii ndio unaangalia huko ama huko?
Ya chini.
170.
So,
Okay.
zote in total enough for
1070.
170.
Acha nitalipa.
That's like untalika.
Ngoja tunaenda kupika.
Meron.
10.
10.7.
1070.
Telling you.
That's like
That is around around 10 and a half USD.
you see how it is different from the village.
That one in Tanzania, oh, the package of whole month. I'm telling you. Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Guys, I told you, like, here things they're very, very expensive.
Yes.
Like, you just watch these small things that we just bought right now. It's like, he said $10 and a half. Guys,
Yes.
And
Let's say $10.
yeah, if you buy this in the village, it will be like $5.
Yes. This one I think $5
All of
because
them.
like this scales here around 30 bob.
Yeah.
But here it's 200.
200 for
Imagine.
this. It's like, things here they're very, very
Yes, me I understand because the situation or the background it's
Yeah.
allowed us to do that. Yes. But I think this one here in America, you want about around maybe $40 or 50.
$40?
Yes, because everything is expensive.
Yeah.
Do you see mzungu?
I have seen.
In our home, they will call him mzungu price.
Be careful with it.
Yes, I see. She's riding. Okay. Okay. Tuko nature walk. Yes. Siku ingine nikija huku sasa, nitakuwa nimejiandaa vizuri.
Yeah.
Ni kuzuri. Nikiboeka vijijini na kuja huku sasa. Wow.
Nini ya? Ukitaka ubuy place far, maybe when they ukunda, but here they are very expensive.
Juu pale ni 400, 350 hao. Okay. Let's go.
I hope you're enjoying Diani.
Yes.
You're loving it.
I love even the nature.
The nature.
Yes.
But
Also that tires from the shoes tires in our village.
Yeah.
You bought around let me say 150. That's $1, but here I think it's around 1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But here it's very hot. Like right now, guys.
Yes. Hauna shati ya Jamaica. Ukipata nitakuja. See even this art.
Yeah.
Very nice.
That's my road for going to the beach in the morning.
This one?
Yeah, you should go
Okay.
early in the morning there.
Oh.
And there, Funky Monkey. It's a nice restaurant if you want to try like tuna. And then the next place is for wine shop.
Oh. They're really hustling, guys, with that KK.
You see how there is a lot of wine?
Yes, I see.
When you come, they give you even some little wine for tasting, like wine tasting.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you drink wine?
No.
Only
Maybe I drink wine which have like 0 alcohol.
okay.
That one I can drink.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Or what do you think? You do what Roma is doing?
They have never tried.
Don't
No.
try.
Don't try. But if you find maybe Roma's doing like Praising, just praise.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So guys, right now we're going to cook lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And then after lunch, we're gonna go and watch some
Sun.
sunset.
Yes.
It will be around 5 o'clock.
Oh, in the evening time. Yeah. Kutupa takataka ovyo ovyo. Not throwing rubbish everywhere. The fine will be 5,000. Yes.